The responsibility that we have knowing that after we repair it, the airplane's going to fly with somebody's family member on it. That brings excitement to the responsibility of our job.
If you like putting puzzles together, you'll like this job.
I like the technical stuff. I like troubleshooting, problem solving, working with other mechanics or engineers on trying to resolve an issue.
Working on an airplane, every day is different. Everything's new, everything's a challenge.
My father was an aircraft mechanic with US Air. Actually, he started with Allegheny Airlines back in the late 1950s, and it's been in the family.
Our diligence never wavers. It doesn't matter if it's a reading light or an engine change. American technicians are the best in the industry.
A lot of people think that anybody can just show up and do the job, like working on cars. We're licensed by the FAA, and there's a lot more to it than just coming in and changing parts.
If you're out here walking the base, you start to see that these guys are pretty sharp. They love what they do. They're very good at what they do. They take it pretty seriously.
I'd like to say to all AMTs around the world, keep doing what you're doing. And by constantly staying vigilant, we're meeting the standard that our job is held to. Good job, everybody.